If you want to change system colors on Google Pixel 9a, then first of all we need to open settings. Then in the settings, go to wallpaper and style, and then over here we should be able to choose the system colors that we wish to use. So we can tap on any of these, and as you can see we can change the color over here. And besides that, we can tap on these three dots in order to choose some more options. We have the choice between the wallpaper colors, which should technically match with the wallpaper, and there is also other colors which are more like general. And of course these colors can be adjusted by choosing a different wallpaper. So if you choose the wallpaper, a different wallpaper, you can also switch to the home screen as well. You can change it here. So if I switch to a different wallpaper, let's see if it works. Sometimes there is this bug for some reason that we cannot change the wallpaper. So we're gonna go to more wallpaper this time, and let's select this thing. Let's quickly set it up. And after that, the theme or the interface colors should also be adjusted. So as you can see now, we can choose something like this. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.